I just want to say that don't get bored in this video, and if you do, you can just skip it and go forward and watch the vlog part of it, because that is truly interesting. I made this vision board with my friends and I hope you guys really enjoy it. A lot of people don't really believe in vision boards or manifestation or any of that. The story I'm going to start with now is a story that is literally something my friend went through. It changed her perspective on vision boards, manifestation. I was on call with my friend and it was just before my 12th board. I was telling her how I manifested my 10th board marks. I spoke to her and then she's like, bro, it's impossible to manifest marks. Like, you need to study for marks. The questions I got and the answers I wrote were very shitty. Like, let me tell you, the shit I wrote in my exams was real bad. And she's like, but then how did you manifest it? Because it makes no sense. You're saying you wrote bad shit and then you're saying you manifested it. That makes no sense. And I'm like, I just kept thinking of what I want and kept visualizing that I actually had it, and it happened. And then she's like, nah bro, I don't believe in manifestation and all that. And I was like, why? She's like, it didn't work for me. And I'm like, when did you try it? Long back, around in 8th grade, she wanted this one Subway thing, you know that ऐसे ऐसे करके जो चलता है, I forgot what it's called. She wanted that and I was just like, you didn't get it? She's like, no, I literally wrote it down, I visualized having it, I did everything, but I still didn't get it. Okay. And I was confused. I was like, yeah, somebody who does not believe in manifestation, usko believe karwana in itself is a very difficult thing. Like, if you don't know, somebody who does not believe in something, unko us cheez mein believe karwana is next to impossible. It is that difficult. My next question was, is there anything that you received during the same time, or is there anything that you received after, like, you not getting this and you got over it and then you received something? She's like, yeah, I got the latest iPhone. And I was like, I asked her a simple question. Do you think you would have valued that Subway thingy as much as you valued that iPhone? And she's like, no, because that iPhone was with me for like 3 years and I knew that if I got that, I would have probably gotten over it in like a week or 2 weeks. Like, I don't get it. Sometimes there are a few things which are not meant for you. These things are just not meant to be a part of your life. These things are just not meant to happen. So there are these small things which you usually wouldn't get, but when you start thinking about them, manifesting them, you might get them. And I have made my 2025 vision board. I'm not gonna show it yet. Now let's get into the actual video. A lot of you don't know how to make vision boards or how vision boards help. And I'm gonna explain to you just that. Why do I have like an attitude today? I don't get it. So what is a vision board exactly? A vision board is not really like a set of pictures that you put together in one little cardboard piece and then you're manifesting that. It is not that. When you make a vision board, you put down things that you actually want in life, and these things turn out to be true in the future. Maybe not in the exact year that you put them in, but maybe, like for example, मैंने 2025 में 15 चीज़ें डाली है, उसमें से 5 चीज़ें सच आ गई, but तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कि जो बाकी की 10 चीज़ें जो नहीं आई है सच, वो अगले 10 साल में या 5 साल में नहीं आएंगी. And I feel like even knowing about manifestation, believing in manifestation is something that if God wants you to know, you will know. Why does vision board work? I've written it down, so I'm just gonna read this one out and then I'm gonna explain it like a teacher. The concept behind a vision board is rooted in the law of attraction, which suggests that focusing on what you want rather than what you don't want helps draw positive energy and opportunities into your life. जब तुम ये सोचते हो कि तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, instead of saying क्या तुम्हें नहीं चाहिए, is when vision boards work. Is when vision boards actually help you manifest your goals, because a lot of times people feel like saying things that you don't want is what's going to happen, but it's not like that. Oh, so this time I also included an example of somebody who has made it, and you guys know her. You guys know who it is. It is Priyanka Chopra, guys. So I took this information off Google. So Priyanka Chopra was Miss World to global superstar. Okay, she won the title of Miss World in 2000. So she also wanted to be like a very famous actress in Bollywood. and she manifested it. And then she wanted to be very famous, and she wanted to do a breakthrough in Hollywood, and then she got some series, and then she did that. She also manifested entrepreneurial opportunities, like for example launching her own production company that she wanted. It was Pebble Pictures, and she became a global ambassador for major brands like Guess, Pantene and Pepsi. So these are the things that she wanted to do in life, and she did it. And इस वीडियो में I'm actually going to show you guys a lot of more people who have made it with manifestation. Even when I'm reading everything I just noted down for this video, it gives me that sense of tingly wala happiness in my stomach, and I want you guys to know that it's there. Just believe that what you want will happen. So now getting into how vision boards help with manifestation. A lot of people actually question if vision boards are real, if vision boards help, if vision boards are useless. Like, what is up with vision boards? Everybody wants to know. Now for example, you want a car. अभी तुम्हें गाड़ी चाहिए, that is there कि हाँ तुम्हें कोई गाड़ी चाहिए. अभी तुम्हें क्या पता कल को तुम्हें सैंट्रो आ जाए. फिर तुम्हें याद आएगा यार नहीं सैंट्रो तो नहीं चाहिए थी, मुझे तो मतलब फॉर्च्यूनर चाहिए थी. तुमने बोला मुझे कोई गाड़ी चाहिए, सो तुम्हें कोई गाड़ी मिल गई. So it is very important to be clear on your visions and on your goals, because when you're not clear, it will not happen. It will happen, but ऐसे वे में जो शायद तुम्हें कभी पसंद ना आए उतना, या तुम बोलो कि यार ये तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं था, ये तो मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं था. तो उस वे में you need to understand that being clear on your vision and goals is basically what a vision board is all about. Everything that you put in a vision board is extremely clear. It says what you want exactly, and it helps you achieve exactly what you want. When you keep seeing that goal, your mind and your subconscious will keep finding out ways to get you to that goal. So, for example, if I want to be fit, okay, I put that as a goal कि मुझे ये body चाहिए, and I keep seeing it every single day. I see it, and एक दिन my body will be like, bro, you need to go work out. And that is when it all starts, and that is when you start becoming a dream person, is because it's in front of you. All the goals that you want are there, and you're like, if I don't achieve this, what am I doing in life? Put your vision board आँखों के सामने. Don't put it behind a desk where you can't even see it. Keep it आँखों के सामने, so that every time, for example, mine is behind my door. Every time I open my door, I see the vision board. Yeah, basically vision boards are about law of attraction, and you aligning your mind, body, soul, all of it into your goals, and that is how vision boards help. Now this is my favorite story from this one book. Wait, a lot of my friends, I have recommended this book to them, How the Secret Changed My Life, Real People, Real Stories. This book is magic. It made me believe in manifestation 10 times more than I actually do. Bob Proctor's check story. Let me give you a little background story. When I was reading this, I was very shocked, and I knew about the check from before. There is this one check from The Secret. Go online and just write The Secret Universe check, and it'll give you a fake check which is basically from the universe, and you don't have to pay attention to where that money comes from. It will come to you in your account. That is what matters. This is this guy's story, which is so crazy. The check from The Secret. As part of the law of attraction process, Bob was encouraged to write a check for a large sum of money that he wanted to attract into his life. The idea was to visualize receiving that amount and truly believe that it would come to him. The mistake. Here is where things take a turn. Bob Proctor wrote out a check for a sum of 1 million, a huge figure that represented the kind of wealth he wanted to manifest. However, in the process, he made a mistake. When writing the amount, instead of writing 1 million, he accidentally wrote 10 million on the check. After realizing the mistake, Bob decided to go ahead and use the check with the corrected amount of 1 million. But here's where the magic happened. Both amounts manifested. Bob received a check from 1 million from one of his business ventures. Amazingly, soon after, Bob received the 10 million through a different opportunity. So I'm telling you, this helps. Like, sometimes even mistakes can turn your life around. How to create a vision board. Get clear on your goals. Collect images and quotes, create your board, connect emotionally, and take action. Now this is a very ऊपर का आइडिया. I'll give you an in-depth idea. When you make a vision board, always remember that वो vision board के बीच में जो picture है, that picture should be of what you want सबसे ज़्यादा in that year. It has to be a little realistic and it could be a little delulu. So 50-50 ratio होना चाहिए. And try to keep things as realistic as possible, and it will happen. So a lot of times you might put things which are so unrealistic and so difficult to achieve. For example, you are a broke college student. Now, you manifesting a Porsche is very much possible. In the next 2 years, 3 years, it's very much possible. But in the next 1 year, the possibility reduces, right? So you first, if you want to start believing in vision boards, start manifesting small things. Once your belief has gotten to a level where it is unshakable, that is when you start aiming for the higher things, because that is when your mind sets its goals to the highest of possibilities. And my only advice would be try to make sections. So for example, health, friends and family, career goals, and shopping. This is my sections usually, like not exactly like this, but these are my sections. And now I think I will go ahead and show you my vision board. But first, let's get into the vlog. We are literally planning our vision boards. It is so awkward, but मेरा हो गया है. These two are taking too long. Guys, so we are finally making the vision board, and this is this is not my cardboard, this is I think Dwiti's cardboard. This is my cardboard. So every time I make the same size vision board because it fits perfectly over there, because it's just the perfect amount of space on both sides. It's बहुत अच्छे से बैठता है. So I'm using an A1 size. You can choose whatever size you want to use. My friends are also going to join this time, so it's going to be a girls' night type of situation. Sadly, I don't really have a very good center table which is like aesthetic and stuff, so I can't shoot there. So I'm going to be shooting this in my room. Every single year I do it in my room only. And I think this is my second time filming my vision board, and I really like it. So we are manifesting positivity and a lot of work, a lot of good energy, a lot of good friends, and basically a lot of money and a very positive mindset in simple short words. But obviously it gets deep into that, and everyone, all three of us, have a different vision for ourselves, and I think it will even help you to make your vision board, because मतलब हम तीन अलग अलग लोग हैं. Like Dwiti is in her 20s and she is doing her own work, like she's working at the same time she's handling uni, and I am into content creation, so I'm also working, but I have a totally different vision. And then Henny is a student, so she has a totally different vision. So I think by the end of this vision board you will also get an idea about what kind of pictures you can post in your vision board. So I am just really hoping that this video helps you to come up with an idea, because हम तीनों को बहुत time लगा है to find our own pictures. So my basic idea to make this video is to help you to make your vision board and to make it easier on you. The lip gloss. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be fun. We have everything set up. Henny is just sort of there. I really wish your kids know about me vlogging your childhood, and then they'll see all this, that this is the kind of mother.
Your mother was hot.
Very hot.
Is hot. Yeah, and will be hot. I will not eat spicy.
I need max spicy.
I like
Not
it, but I
max,
don't
I need
tolerate.
spicy beach mein.
इसको दोहरे बच्चे like बीच में.
We have finally come up with the pictures, and everyone has got their own catchy.
I have a red one. No, I have this one.
Give me the
अरे
red
ये
one.
ले ले भाई, कोई
I'm
नहीं
not
है.
giving you the teddy one.
I'm literally stuck with the most weirdest scissor, but I don't know.
I have the
what it is.
cutest one.
Mine.
Let's just make sure that जो भी इसके white part है
Can
तो
we
वो एक जगह पे है.
cheers?
Yeah, let's do cheers.
Yay.
See, we already completed one of
She's
our
just
vision
ignoring
board.
me.
No, I saw
That's
No, I hate you.
Anyways,
Can you?
I'll take it, yeah.
भाई गिरेगा. ये.
Okay.
I
Let's
don't
start
know.
like. I finished cutting my pictures. Henny is still left to cut her pictures. Dvitika bhi ho gaya, but I'm just keeping it.
You're behind and you're like talking.
Yeah, I'm just arranging mera vision board, and then when they come back, we are all gonna do it together because they're going home to eat food, I think.
Dinner.
Dinner. And then they'll be back, and then I'll be like sticking it with them. Right now I'm just arranging mine. I hope mine turns out to be like most of it comes true, because I feel like इस साल बहुत सारा true आ सकता है. So fingers crossed. Hi guys, I promise it's not the same day. I know I might be wearing the same outfit or the same t-shirt, but it is not the same day. It's actually 2 days later, because yesterday I was with my friends. उनका vision board complete हो गया, मेरा नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मेरी photos बहुत कम थी. हमने जो पूरा set करके रखा था वो पूरा बिगड़ गया है. इसमें से पहले मैं इसको उल्टा करके धीरे से थोड़ी चीज़ें जो हैं उनको ढंग से रखती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे याद है कि क्या कहाँ था, तो मैं वो तो कर दूंगी. बट बिकॉज ये विजन बोर्ड बहुत प्यारा है, सो लाइक अगर मैंने इसे अच्छे से किया ना तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. आई डिड नीड माई फ्रेंड्स हेल्प, बट देन फिर वो लोग के कुछ काम है तो दे कांट कम. बट इट्स ऑलराइट, वील डू इट ऑन आवर ओन. वी हैव बीन डूइंग इट ऑन आवर ओन सिंस लाइक अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, सो वी कैन डू दिस. आई थिंक मैंने थोड़ा सा मैसअप किया है. ओह नहीं, आई थिंक फिक्स कर सकती हूँ. दिस इज सो स्ट्रेसफुल. नाउ अब मुझे ये याद है ये यहाँ पे था. द प्रॉब्लम इज आई एलिमिनेटेड अ फ्यू पिक्चर्स एंड I just realized that those few pictures had a place in my vision board. Oh, I got it. You know what? I'll speak to you after I've arranged this, because I've done most of it, but I need to do a little more. So, talk to you later. Hey guys, I just finished my vision board, but I haven't stuck it yet because I am so skeptical. Like, I don't know why I am so scared to stick it. I don't know. I genuinely am so confused. I don't know why I'm so scared to stick it, and I don't know why मेरे को पता नहीं यार, डर सा लग रहा है कि मतलब कैसे अगर इधर उधर हो गई फोटोज तो मैं क्या करूँगी, ये वो पता नहीं. व्हाई आई एम सो स्कैर्ड. आई थिंक आई विल स्टार्ट नीचे से एंड आई विल वर्क माई वे ऐसे 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 वेव करके, बिकॉज दैट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट इज मेकिंग सेंस टू मी राइट. गौरी, गेट ओवर योर फियर. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद यू?
So now I'm going to show you my vision board that I completed. I'm just going to give you guys a second to like take this in. I can't even hold it, it's that big. This is my travel and fun side. This is a picture of an airplane. I want to go to Golden Temple again. I want to go to concerts, fly first class, have a lot of girls' nights, and I want to buy a lot of stuff. Oh shit. These pictures are falling off. I think the glue I used was shitty. Okay, you know what? I'm going to fix this later, but let me explain it first. Shit. I really hope nothing else falls off. And then we go on to my career section. This is like I want to work essay. This is my health section. This is my health section, glowing skin. I want to eat healthy. I want to have like a lot of sports in life. And then this is my shopping section. This lower wala part is my shopping section, and this is the main goal of 2025. I want the silver play button. I am so annoyed I want it. And then I want this 5 lakh check. I want 333k followers and 99,000 subscribers, and yeah. So I need to stick these back, but I think you guys get the idea of my vision board now. And also I love this picture. This is literally my favorite picture. It came off, but that doesn't matter. I want to do this. I want to go horse riding. I want to have a clear skin. I want to do meditation, yoga, all of these things. Okay, that's it for this video, and my battery is gonna die on me again. I'm literally switching batteries mid video just to shoot this. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please get me to 100,000 subscribers. I would be eternally grateful to you guys. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.